Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going a little bit off script. We're going to be looking at upgrading the PS5, upgrading the hard drive. I've had this about a year and a half now and found that the hard drive just fills up when you get a couple of games on it, especially big beefy games. So we're going to upgrade it to the Samsung 980 Pro with heatsink. Make sure you do get it with a heatsink, because without it'll just overheat and shorten the life of the actual SSD and just overheat the whole lot. So just make sure that you get the right one. It is an M.2 SSD and it's running at 7,000 megs per second. So just make sure that you get the right one. This one's a 2 terabyte one. So we'll upgrade it now. So I'm just gonna turn over the PS5 now. The PS5 logo is at the top. So in case you don't have one that's got a disc on it, then what I'm gonna do is just turn it all the way over, like so. I'm going to lift the top corner. If you see here, this is where the curve is. You've got your USBs on the front there and the power on the front. I'll lift the top up and slide to the right there. And there we have it, it's open. So it's a bit dusty. So I'm just going to clear away all that dust because I've never opened it before. And it's in here that we're going to look at. So we're not actually replacing a hard drive, we're adding one in, so you still have your original hard drive in there. And we're just going to open that up with a Phillips screwdriver. Like so. Look after your screw. Take the plate off. Like so. And you can see in here, we've got an empty bay. So we're going to take the SSD out there. As you can see here, it is keyed. It's got a little bit taken out of it there. And under here, you can actually see where that goes in to there. So we need to line those up and put them in. So line them up there. Put the SSD in. Push it into place. And now we've got to line up that screw. We're going to take this screw out here, take it all the way out. Make sure you keep hold of this little plastic bit here, because we're going to use that again within here, because it's going to go into this screw hole here. Nicely in there, nice and tight. Put the blanking plate back in place. Put the lid back on, like so. And there we have it. Plug it in, see what we get at the other side. As you can see, it has found the hard drive. Going to click format now. So it's formatting the hard drive now. So it's 100%. It's confirming the read speed. And now it's rebuilding the database. So once it's got that, it'll just fire straight up, and there you can see we've gone straight into it. So we'll go and confirm the storage now. So we'll confirm that the storage is there, and you can see the M.2 SSD is there for 2 terabytes.